Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just literally the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this red and green line annotation are coming from. But after today's price action, definitely some updates here need to be made as the bulls made another nice move. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of this line down here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that comes about is based in a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 50 cents as resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be considered an area of support. Short term and what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 55 cents, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can manage to actually pull it off and stay above it, like I said, that would definitely be a great sign of power on the bull's part. Looking at things from the big picture perspective, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this price movement is going to continue upwards, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So we're going way back into the chart's history now. As always, good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. And looking like the next key level, is that where it got rejected from today? Not quite. Up there at 58 cents. So 58 cents, next key level of resistance. Price did get close there today, didn't quite hit it, but that'll be next battleground going into tomorrow. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing, the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.